Ignore. Okay, class. So our lecture is being recorded now. So, okay. So our lecture is recording now. Our lecture. Okay, class. So this is your sheet number 33. The present continuous. We can use the present continuous tense to talk about your plans in the future. Okay, class. Sometimes we can use the present continuous tense to talk about our future. Okay, class. So I am doing my homework tomorrow next week at the weekend. I am doing my homework tomorrow. So it means that मैं कल अपना काम करने वाली हूँ. I homework करूँगी. So I am going to do my homework tomorrow. So let's do the exercise now. Use the correct verbs to fill in the gaps. She is dash shopping on Friday.
Going.
She is dash shopping on Friday. So what
You
is the
have
answer?
going. You
Going.
have. Is it
So
going?
here, going. Number two, okay. So number two, what is the answer? Number two. He is
Teacher
dash
having.
at home
Staying.
on Sunday. She
Staying.
is dash at home on Sunday. Staying.
Staying.
Staying. Number three, we are dash a party at my uncle's house on Sunday. We are
Having.
we are um,
Having.
having a party. Very good. We are having a party on Sunday. He is dash football tonight. He
Playing.
is playing
Playing.
football tonight. Number five, they are dash us a meal at the cooking at the weekend. So it's cooking.
Cooking.
They are cooking us a meal. Okay, class, done.
Okay, teacher. Done.
Now let's come to next question. Write some sentences in your notebook using the verbs. So we have three sentences to use and we will make, oh my god, we will make the sentences. So let's make sentences. Okay, class. So now going. So how we
We are
are
going to my uncle's house.
on picnic
We are going on picnic.
weekend
We are going to the park.
weekend with our family and friends. Okay, number two, we have English cover.
We are going on a picnic.
Yes, we are going on picnic next weekend with our
You can
family
write
friends.
only on. You can write on a picnic. You cannot write a.
Okay, so number two is playing. I am playing basketball with my friends on Friday. Okay, class. Number next is
Yeah, I will
cooking.
write only with my family.
My sister is cooking food for me next month. Okay, class. So this is page number, activity sheet number 33. Now let's do activity sheet number 34.
टीचर मैंने अभी नहीं किया, आप रुक जाए।
मैं आपको ग्रुप में पिक्चर सेंड कर दूंगी. ओके, आई विल सेंड यू पिक्चर्स ऑन ग्रुप. ग्रुप में
ये भी
मैंने
तो
आपको पीडीएफ फाइल सेंड कर दूंगी ग्रुप में, व्हाट्सएप पर. एक्टिविटी sheet number activity sheet number 34 now. So we have some filling the blanks to fill. Number 1, we dash fly to Paris on Tuesday evening. We are going to fly to Paris on Tuesday evening. No, no, I am not going out, going out, going out. I'm not going out on Saturday. I'm staying at home.
हम कौन से पेज पे काम कर रहे हैं?
34.
So we will write only I
At
am not
6:30 tomorrow.
I am not going out, teacher, because going out is right.
Is playing football at 6:30 tomorrow. Dash day I have a meeting on Thursday. Okay, yes they have. Okay, are they going to have a meeting? Are they going to have a meeting on Thursday?
टीचर इतना लंबा
No, इतना लंबा नहीं है. Just have. Okay, are they going to have? Dash, so I go on holiday in July. No, she dash.
ये हमें सारा लिखना है.
Is
मैं थक गई हूँ, मेरे बालों से ब्लॉड कर, मेरे बाल छेने
going on holiday. No, she is not.
फिलिंग का ब्लैंक्स में पूरे आ जाएंगे. टीचर
ये कौन सी क्लास है? 4. Okay, class number 6. My father dash see a dentist on Friday afternoon. My father is seeing
टीचर आपकी आवाज समझ में आ रही है,
dentist
तो
on
पीछे बहुत
Friday
शोर
afternoon.
आता है.
Be quiet, all of you. What time? What time?
मेरे बाल समझ टीचर मैं भी नहीं आता.
What time? When?
आपने सी के साथ आईएनजी लिख दिया, बिकॉज ई के साथ आईएनजी नहीं आता.
किसके साथ? Is when having. What time is when having? यहाँ पे पेन है तो देखो. Is Ben having lunch with Monica? Number 8. They dash book the room not next Monday. They are booking the room next Monday. I dash visit my grandmother tomorrow morning. I am visiting my grandmother tomorrow morning.
टीचर ये आप सेंड करते हैं।
I will send you also.
जो हमारा लेक्चर खत्म हो रहा है।
No, not now. You still have time. Okay, this is the last page we'll do. Okay. Number 10 dash meet Samantha tonight. Hmm.
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Are you meeting Samantha tonight? Number 11 Steve dash have his birthday party next Saturday. Steve is having his birthday
जी
party
अस्सलाम
next
वालेकुम।
Saturday. Walaikum salam.
मैम ये जैन सजाद की अटेंडेंस लगा दें क्योंकि इसकी सिस्टर की भी क्लास हो रही है, तो वो फिर एक मोबाइल से ना दोनों दो तीन को क्लास नहीं
Okay.
करवाई जाती।
Okay. मैं लगा देती हूँ.
ओके ओके अल्लाह।
Okay, number 12, my math teacher is getting married next week. We dash fly to London next week. We are flying to London next week. Dash, are you going on tracking this weekend? Are you going tracking tracking this weekend? Claire dash watch The Witcher tonight. Claire is watching. Number 16, the kids dash go to the library this afternoon. The kids are going to the library this afternoon. I am having supper with Eid tomorrow. With Ed tomorrow, not Eid.
अब टीचर पेज नंबर 35 करना है। Our lecture is over.
I don't know your lecture is over or not. 35 is quite lengthy, so we'll do it in the class.
One more you cannot. टीचर ये देखिए मेरे पास ये भी है।
Let me check your timing.
टीचर आप ये देखिए आपको एक चीज दिखाई, ये वाला आपने फिलिंग ब्रैक नहीं कराया।
What?
टीचर हमने ये वाला फिलिंग ब्रैक नहीं कराया, आप ये देखें। टीचर
मैंने ये पहले करवा दिया हुआ है.
लंबे पूरे अच्छा ये देखिए।
अच्छा दिखाएं.
ये दैट वन।
So it's okay. जिन्होंने किया, they can do it.
टीचर ऑन 5
Okay, so our today's timing is okay class, our lecture is over at 15. Okay, we have only 2 minutes. So let me share you the pictures. Okay. I
So which
first
pictures?
asked you which pages. Hmm? Okay, where is scam scanner?
टीचर टीचर आई कैन लीव द क्लास।
First, let me take your attendance. Then you will leave your class.
Fatima Babakabad from Canal Bank branch.
Fatima,
from Canal
and
Bank.
Sajjad and Fatima.
Teacher?
Wait a minute.
टीचर
Yes.
मेरा नाम अनस, मेरी आईडी हुसैन की बनी है। आवेदीन फ्रॉम कनाल ब्रांच। अनस
Wait a minute.
अनस चौधरी मुस्तफा कनाल ब्रांच।
Anas,
चौधरी मुस्तफा
Chaudhary,
अहमद फ्रॉम कनाल ब्रांच।
Fatima, Zain Sajjad, Samin,
कनाल ब्रांच। टीचर कहने लगी
Azmat.
अनस
Yes.
क्या मेरी
Anas is done.
अनस Chaudhary Mohammad Sana.
Hasnain Mustafa, who is Hasnain Mustafa?
Okay.
हसनैन मुस्तफ़ा का नाम क्या है?
Chaudhary Mohammed Asif.
Teacher, my name is Zanul Abedin from Kinal branch.
Dan Zainul Abidin.
Excuse me, teacher. My name is Mohammad Zamin Ali from Kinal. Now I can leave.
Mohammed Zamin is done.
Okay.
Yes.
Teacher, my name is Anush.
Hasnain Mustafa, what's your name?
The Anas
Hasnain
Chaudhary.
Mustafa. Anas or Hasnain Mustafa?
Yes.
Okay, so I have marked your attendance. Okay,
Okay.
grade 4. Okay, class, I'll see you tomorrow or when you'll come.
Okay.
I think you come on Monday.
Teacher, my name is
Yes, teacher, I will come on Monday.
Examen is done. Okay, take care, you can leave the class now.
Okay.
Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, teacher.